In this video, I'll show you how to enable SSL in Cloudflare to secure your website and build visitor trust. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard and selecting the domain you want to secure. Once inside, head to the SSL/TLS section. Here you'll see different SSL modes. For the best protection, choose Full. This requires a valid SSL certificate on your hosting server and encrypts data end-to-end. If your server has a self-signed or expired certificate, you can use Full, which still encrypts traffic but with slightly less security. Only use Flexible if your server doesn't support HTTPS. It encrypts traffic between visitors and Cloudflare, but not between Cloudflare and your server, making it less secure. After selecting the right mode, Cloudflare applies the changes automatically. Test your site to confirm everything works. And that's it. Your website is now secured with Cloudflare SSL. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.